Hi, my name is Hornlow. I live in Martinez. I was referred to Tim by one of my good friends, Pete, and he asked me some questions about the solar. Looked into my PG&E bill. The reason why I looked into solar is because I was spending almost $400 a month on the summer without AC blasting. So I just needed to save money, and Tim came out, had a initial consultation with me, went through my bills, looked at how much it could save me, how much it would cost, and now I'm a happy owner of, after a couple years, having several panels installed up in the roof, and now my electric bill is down to pretty much nothing, and I've been saving a lot of money over the years now. So I've been very happy with Tim and the solar contract, and I would refer anybody else to him.